In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate your accounting software to review and manage your financial entries. This process is crucial for keeping a tight handle on your financial records and ensuring everything is in order. Let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly access your chart of accounts and analyze your entries. First, you'll want to access the chart of accounts. This is found within the accounting section of your software. Think of the chart of accounts as a master list where each account you use to track your finances is listed. It's akin to having a comprehensive directory of all your financial accounts, from your assets to your liabilities and everything in between. By regularly reviewing your chart of accounts, you gain valuable insights into the financial health of your business, making it easier to spot inconsistencies or make informed decisions. Now, once you have your chart of accounts in front of you, the next step is to select the specific account you wish to review more closely. Account selection can depend on what information you're looking for. For instance, you might choose to focus on a particular income account to verify the revenues from a recent project or sale. Once you've pinpointed the account in question, click on View Register. The register acts like the archive for that account's transactions. Here, you'll have a detailed view of every entry that's been made, allowing you to scrutinize and potentially identify any discrepancies or confirm that everything aligns as it should. Alternatively, if you prefer a broad look at multiple entries or want to engage in some heavy-duty analysis, running a journal report might be the better option. Under the Reports section, you'll find this Journal Report function. Select it to generate a comprehensive overview of all journal entries that have been recorded within your accounting period. This is an incredibly useful tool for auditors or anyone needing to conduct a deep dive into financial entries. With the journal report, you gain the flexibility to analyze entries across differing accounts, providing a wider lens into the movements of your transactions and ensuring everything tallies up with your expectations. As you work through these steps, it's always a good idea to pay attention to the details. Double-check dates, amounts, and descriptions of entries to ensure accuracy. Regular checks of this nature put you in a good position to maintain precise accounting records, which can save you time and stress down the line, especially around tax season or when making strategic business decisions. Thanks for watching this tutorial on navigating your chart of accounts. We hope this helps bolster your financial reporting skills. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into effective accounting practices. Until next time.